I have 2 days to cut and sew this ball gown. Bruh. But Sarah, who would do that to you? Me. I would do that to me. In an effort to cure my very long bout of creative burnout, I gave myself a challenge. 2 days, cut and sew, ball gown. I did spend the week leading up to it, finding the perfect pattern and fabric from around my house. And like Schmog, I had everything, including a pair of clearance sheets I don't remember buying, but they were the perfect color for this. So let's go! Did you know the bedsheets were one of the cheapest ways to make a full-length circle skirt? They are, and the fabric's more comfortable. The more you know. Now I want this bodice to be structured. I'm talking stiff. So we've got the lining, the interlining, the boning, the outer fabric, and then the fashion sequin on top. I mean, we're going for tight, secure. Nothing's going anywhere. Will you be able to sit or bend in this? Probably not. But you will look great, because I want that bodice point sharp enough to a man. A little goblin hack.
Goblin mode, alright?
When you're taking the elastic out of your fitted sheet, save it. Elastic ain't cheap. Another little fun tip, iron. Iron your sheet before you cut your circle skirts out of it. Do as I say, not as I do, so to speak. Except for using a serger. You're gonna do that bad boy if you want to hem this in one day. I want to hem this in one day. Which was still the longest part of the day.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up. Is it cheating if I'm using petticoats I've already made? No. It's called sustainability. Anyway, that's what we're doing. I probably should not have said, oh, it's only 5 o'clock. I can add some embellishments. But I did. And that pushed this project into the afternoon, evening-ish. Into the evening, for sure. But this is how she came out. I love her. She's giving glitz. She's giving glam. She's giving Taylor's version. And I'm never doing this again.